What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the old Jeep again. Last week we had some issues with our pulley that didn't want to go on the steering pump, so hopefully today we got some more luck. So we got a new auxiliary belt that we're going to install on the new steering pump and on the other accessories. So all that's left to do now is screw this screw all the way in, so we can throw the belt on the pulley, then loosen the bolt again, so we got nice enough tension so the belt won't slip. Okay guys, so we fitted a brand new steering pump with the new pulley. So what we're going to do now is bleed the system. Ain't much to it, just to let it run. Move the steering wheel a couple of times and make sure to fill the reservoir in time. Okay, so we bled out the steering pump. So what we're going to do now is install a new wiper arm, then throw her out of the garage and go for a test drive. Okay guys, so then it's now time for the test drive to see how she's doing. But before we can test drive, we fix the bulb. Okay guys, so she drives awesome, job done. All that's left to do is find the correct soft top for this Jeep, because this Jeep has the full steel doors and that's kind of a problem. We are still in search for the right top. So if you know a website or if you know an address preferred in Europe due to the shipping, let us know. Next to working on the Jeep, we also worked a bit on the boat. But that's something that we're going to show in another video. With that being said guys, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that those post notifications are on as well, so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at